Honda has partnered with Qmerit and ChargePoint to simplify purchasing and installing a home charger. Honda.ca offers the one-stop shop to get started. Visit honda.ca/en/electrified and select the Qmerit link. Complete the Qmerit home charging assessment to generate a preliminary estimate. When you are ready to proceed, select the Start Now link in your estimate confirmation email. A Qmerit certified installer will reach out to verify the quote. In some cases, a visit to your home may be required to do this. Once approved, your Qmerit certified installer will contact you to schedule the install. Note that the home charger is purchased separately. When you're ready to purchase your charger, visit honda.ca/en/electrified and select the ChargePoint link to view home charging connection options. Select your preferred charger and have it delivered before scheduling your installation. Consult with your Qmerit certified installer for guidance on which ChargePoint connection option may work best for your individual needs and home.